Dito tayo ngayon mga Kagibeeez sa art gallery. Tingnan nyo tong horse na to. Wow! Ang ganda no ng horse. Bongga, diba? O, diba? 2,952. Mahal. Hello mga Kagibeeez, magandang umaga. Andito ako ngayon sa may Riverside Cafe. So, andito kami ngayon sa WHANGAREI and then pupunta tayo sa WHANGAREI Falls. So makita-kita ulit tayo and see ya guys. We're here again and we're going to
WHANGAREI Falls.
Yeah, and it's just
a short walk to get there. We're very impressed when we first drove up. There's a nice car park, there's very modern public toilets. They even have parking attendants too, no less, to direct you to the nearest empty car park.
Yeah,
so it's very nicely presented.
Very nice service, and we're just waiting for our friends to go grab some coffee. And from here we can already hear the falls. Yeah, maybe I can show them
the viewing deck.
The viewing deck. Tingnan nyo mga Kagibeeez, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Medyo, it's a quite high waterfall. So this is the WHANGAREI waterfall. Can you see? Yan. So diyan kami maglalakad pababa. Wow, it's amazing. It's nice, babe.
Alright.
Ganda, no? Ganda ng view. So, yan.
So I was just looking at those falls, so there's not a huge amount of water going over them at the moment, but we've been in the middle of a drought in Auckland and Northland for a long time, for a whole year or more, and I'd say if you came here in the winter after a major rain, there'd be much bigger volumes of water going over there, so it'd probably be a lot more impressive if you came here just after heavy rains in the winter, I would say.
Yeah, might be even stronger.
Yeah, there'd be a lot more water flowing, maybe twice as much even.
Oh wow, yeah. But this is quite strong already. Even
it looks nice, it looks nice. It's just not like a raging waterfall, it's more, its height is impressive, but yeah, not as much water.
Tara mga Kagibeeez, punta tayo doon mamaya. I'll see you there. Say bye to them. See you there, bye. Hello, dito na kami sa may harap ng waterfall. Ayan siya. Hello, babe.
Hello. Very nice
hello.
here.
This is nice, right? Yeah. So, we're just resting here. Papahinga-pahinga lang. Yan. Maganda yung weather.